welcome back to another video. So today we're actually having a cookout. It is beyond hot outside. You guys are probably so sick of these cookout vlogs, but we did go to Walmart and Target, and I thought I'll show you guys within this vlog what I got instead of having a whole separate video. You guys can kind of see already everything that's there. But yeah, let me go ahead and just quickly show you what we picked up. All right, so my husband wanted to try this out. We normally get the spinach one. He wanted to get the sun-dried tomato basil. Sure, I guess. And this is at Target. I have a Neosporin one for my daughter, but I hated that the other day I had to run and get the diaper bag in order to spray her. So I like that this one I'm going to keep right by the door, so if anything happens, I could just hurry up and grab it to spray her knees if she gets hurt. Target again, you guys know. If you know, you know. The rest of this I want to say right here is from Walmart in general. We got some lettuce for the burgers, some cheese, some tomato. We got some sausage. This sounds so good, jalapeno cheddar. And we got 2 beef brats. I've been looking for these everywhere. For some reason, Target and Walmart, the last couple times we've gone, have been sold out. So I picked them up this time. I picked up 2. I should have got more, but we were trying to hurry up. And then we got this one and this one for burgers, and then we got some strawberries for my daughter. I gotta wash these in a little bit. I'm gonna put that over there. You guys know I always buy 4 of these. There's one I think still left in the cart, but this is for my ice maker. We picked up a mega box of Honey Nut Cheerios. She actually likes munching on these before bed, so it is what it is. And then I got this bathing suit at Target for my daughter. I thought it was so cute. We got it in 3T. I actually think it will fit her right now. But it's so cute, and it was on sale for $10, so I got that. My daughter absolutely loves these. These are actually our favorite shoes to put on her, but in a size 6. They had a sale. They didn't ring up online in store, so you have to make sure you look online. And online they were $11, so we got these in a size up for her for $11. These are the same size, but these look so much bigger. And again, size 7. We also got some of these slings. They were 50 cents, and I got them because I thought they would be really, really cute for like trips or something like that for the babies. We got a whole bunch of Pokemons. They were $5 each. Originally are $19, so he actually got 10. I already opened one in the car. All right, and then we got this at Walmart. It was like $2, so he just got that. He also got this one at Walmart, and this one. And then at Target, I picked up 3 of these. You guys know how I feel about these. These are an amazing deal. It includes a character, a sticker sheet, stencils, and it also has like crayons and a little activity book. I love these for $3. It's a steal. Good morning, guys. I completely failed at filming yesterday because we were, honestly, the kids were just running around and having fun, and we were just living in the moment, so I just really didn't pick up the camera, my phone at all. So yeah, it's the next day and we are about to make breakfast. All right, so here I am making my coffee, a couple drops of chocolate creamer, and then I put in my coffee and then some milk for my daughter. This is the only way I can actually get her to drink milk, guys. So we all pretend we are drinking coffee, or I guess milk, with her. Honestly, it works, so whatever works, right? So here I am, I'm putting the bacon on the baking sheet. I bake it at 350 for 30 minutes, and then the biscuits for 15 at also 350. Now, I normally do like putting the sausage also in the oven, but these patties were not frozen, so I wanted them to be a little bit more flat for the biscuits, so I decided to just fry them, which is actually my husband's preferred method for the actual sausage. So, you know, eggs. I did also put eggs in the oven. I just didn't show that, and I did it for about, I think, 10 minutes. Right, and this was the nice hot mess I had after. So I just broomed, since I am going to cook a dinner later. I did not want to deep clean the kitchen because it will be cleaned again later. But I just did clean the essentials that, you know, come with it. And then I had so many dishes. I was like, this is fun. So yeah, here I am washing the dishes. While I'm here washing the dishes and rinsing them, I want to say thank you guys so much for all the support and commenting and liking and turning that bell notification, and of course subscribing. I appreciate it so much. You guys have no idea. I've been doing this for a very long time, so seeing you guys all here and in the comment section means a lot to me. Thank you. All right, guys, so we had breakfast. It was delicious. My daughter actually ate a lot. So we were gonna go to the dollar store, and that's something else we were gonna do, and I already forgot. But my in-laws are actually here, and they're already outside with my munchkin. So I'm just going to do my light everyday makeup, SPF, just so that we can head outside and just have a nice relaxing day out in the yard again. That's one reason why I really wanted to deck out the yard, so that my daughter has a place to play and we don't have to go anywhere. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do my makeup to literally go outside. But I touch my face less when I have makeup on, so when I don't, I touch my face a lot and I start breaking out. So I'll see you guys as soon as my face is done. All right, I'm all ready. I actually just changed my sleeves. Let's see if any of these batteries are charged, which is funny because I feel like I just charged them all. But none of them have batteries, and I need to charge my phone. For some reason, my phone didn't charge last night. I don't think the light went off, but it was pouring last night. Anyways, let me look for a charger. You guys, this cookout has been very interesting so far. My husband might have made a mistake with the gas part of the grill, so we'll see. Hopefully we don't have to get a new grill. But it does have a charcoal side, so he is using it. That's like currently with his mom. The weather was supposed to be like 87 degrees. It is now 80 and windy, as Chicago is known for. So it's so windy right now, and it just started pouring rain and it stopped. I had seconds and I put all my daughter's stuff back in the garage. I came inside and it just rained like crazy and it stopped in like 5 minutes. So yeah, I felt like we lived in Florida for 2 seconds right now. But yeah, I'm waiting for this water to boil so I can make red lentils spaghetti, which I'm not even gonna make spaghetti. I'm gonna use Alfredo. Yeah, I smell like I am burned. Yeah, that's the only thing bad about charcoal is that you smell like straight up cookout. So I only showed a little bit of cooking the burgers and the chicken. And we had seconds to put everything away, and it was not supposed to rain today, and now it's pouring. All right, guys, I have to take a shower and get ready for our nighttime routine. So I'm gonna take a bath and relax with my husband and my munchkin, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, so I actually didn't do anything, so I didn't film, so I'm just gonna exit out the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.